Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So, do you like reading books, novels, or short stories? Answer may be yes or no, but while reading, you definitely need a bookmark so that you don't forget what was the last page that you read. So, here is the one that I use, and this is so boring, and I don't like using it, so I have decided to get rid of this and make a new one. So, how about this one? Isn't it cute and much better than earlier one? Yes, definitely it is. So today we are going to make this kind of bookmarks. So without any further delay, let's get started. First one is simple and cute corner bookmark. So for that we need a page. We are going to make square of size 7 cm on it. 3 squares. First one in the corner. And then one over here. And another one in this side. After this we'll make the diagonals and then we will erase the excess lines and then using the scissors we'll cut it out. Then again erase the excess lines and after erasing it we will fold it. We will fold it in this way. Fold it. And now using glue we will paste one side. Yes, we are done with pasting and now we will draw the face. First I'll make the eyes. Then the eyelashes. And then the smile. You can make any other face, open eyes or something else, ears. And here we are done. And I have made few more examples for you. Here is the panda one. This one looks like Pikachu and the mini versions. For this you need a square of size 7 cm. Fold it in this way. One fold. And then another fold. And then open it. And then we will cut out a triangle from it. This one I'm going to cut out. And now again we will fold. Yes, it looks similar to this one. After this we will paste it with the glue. And as we are done with pasting, we will make the face on it. Here we have done it. Second one, Mandala Art on Bookmark. For this we need a page. And then we will paint it with a light color. I'm going to use blue color. So you have done with painting and now here I'll draw. I'm going to make this design. You can make any other design that you want. I'm going to make this one. Now since I've done, I will cut it out. Here I've cut it out and tied a ribbon at the end. I've made few more. Here's the one with a beautiful design with a pink ribbon, and this one over the rectangular one I have drawn it. You can make it on circle, triangle, trapezium, yes, all the geometrical shapes that you know. Yeah. Third one is quote or message on the bookmark. For this, we will cut out a rectangular sheet of paper. So here it is. Now let's paint. I'm painting it with light pink and light purple. You can paint it with any color that you like, and over it will write. So first let's paint it and dry it. So I have done the painting. Now I'll write over it. I'm going to write just one more chapter. In my case it will work because I'll at least read one more page or one more chapter. You can write anything that you like, your favorite quote like now or never, or anything that you like. I have decorated it with glitter pins, and now I'm going to tie the ribbon over here. Here I'll tie it. So here's done. It's looking beautiful. And then I have made few more, for example like this one. You can make many more like this. So make it, use it, and write your favorite quote so that you stay motivated and it helps you. You can see I have made so many. So don't you think I can open a shop of this? Nice idea. But anyways, which one did you like? Give it a try, make it, use it. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.